Hey everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you a really quick and easy organizing tip that you will love. It's really cheap, really easy to do, and it means that you can have everything organized, you can find things in a pinch, and also you're not going to buy duplicates or triplicates of things that you don't need because you can't find them in your house. So what I've done is I've gone ahead and purchased this really cheap it's intended for, let me just step back here. It's intended to be used for shoes. So it's an over-the-door shoe rack. I'm not going to store my shoes over the door. So what I've done is I've used this to actually just store things that we don't need every day, but we need to know where they are when we need them. I've got things like the top one up here is batteries. So all of our batteries are stored in there when we need batteries. Then I've got extra pens and markers. I've got extra tape. I've got locks that we're not using at the moment. I've got pet grooming, picture hanging, and all I've done is in each of these little squares that sits above the opening to put my stuff in, I've just used my label maker to just label everything. You know, if you don't have a label maker, you can write it on a piece of paper, write it on a sticky note and stick it on with some blue tack. I just like having the label maker because I think it looks really neat and really nice. And this just hangs over our bedroom door and we use it when we need something. So you'll see like I have extra toothbrushes, extra toothpastes, hair coloring tools for when I color my hair because I don't need those every day, but I need to know where they are when I need to. I've got extra razors. I've got extra soap. We're always looking for USBs, so I just keep spare USBs in here, so if we ever need one, we can just go in and grab the one that we want. Card games, so whenever we have friends over and we want to play games, we can go and grab one of the card games that I've got in here, and then I've got a spare one as well. So this is a really easy, really cheap way to get organized, and you'll always be able to find what's in here in a pinch because you've got everything labeled. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, and I hope to see you again soon on Do It Frugal. Bye!